So you're wondering how to earn easy money? Come, let's check it out. So yeah, first step, if you are an Android user, you can just check it on Play Store. But if you are an iOS or Apple user, you can check it on App Store. This app, Clip Claps app, just search it. And now you can open it. What you're gonna do is you just watch videos here, and you can um, collect this chest after watching videos for like 13 minutes here for me, as for me. But for you guys, I think it's just 30 seconds at the beginning, then it will just grow up to like 19 minutes. Then you can collect chest. The chest will actually give you coins. This top left here, this 15,000 is actually the coins they will give, or coupons. You can collect coupons until you gain up to 120 coupons, then you can redeem the coupon raffle for Amazon, or this $10 raffle cash. You need 150 coupons. For this 50,000 club coins, also 120 needed. But before that, you can actually redeem as a beginner. This is how you redeem here. I will be putting the link below for you guys to have a special code to redeem a $1, I think just $1 and maybe a chest, I forgot. But yeah, but also you can also use QR code. Just scan this and you redeem the golden chest, or $1, something like that. Yeah, I mean a diamond chest. You actually redeem a diamond chest and not a gold chest. See, then if you are bored of watching videos here for like 13 minutes or like that, after earning how many chests, you can actually play also. There are like Texas Hold'em, Aquarium, or Brainier, or these scratchers, which I don't really recommend playing because I think it's kind of like a scam. You lose all your coins in this, unless if you're really lucky, then I guess you can win up to 10,000. They say here 10,000 coins, 70,000 coins, and 500,000 coins. But I think the best game here is if you are really intelligent, then you can play this Brainier game. It's really a quick coin game. You can earn fast coins here. And also Aquarium is the safest game to earn coins, since you're just like feeding your fishes, then you can sell your fish with coins, which is really the safest game here out of the three games. Texas Hold'em is if you are really like a poker master or something, card game master, then I guess this is for you to play. I don't know, but yeah. And also the coins, like I said, is exchangeable for dollars. As for me, I'm in the Philippines, so it's 7.59 pesos in the Philippines currency, or in the US 15 cents, which is really little. But as you progress, then if you can collect a lot of coins, then yeah, it's free dollars. I mean, you're just watching videos like you're doing on Instagram or TikTok. It's just the same as those social media platforms, but the difference is you're really earning money from here rather than just watching without having anything, right? So why not try this instead? And you can cash out here via PayPal if you have PayPal, or if you have no PayPal, then you better register now and connect it so you can send your balance through your PayPal account like this. So yeah, if you are actually liking what I have been doing, then please like my video and comment below if it works for you, if you're happy of what I'm doing, so yeah, thank you for watching. See you in a bit. Bye.
And now I know my heart is a ghost.